Now find area of quadrilateral with vertices taken in order R. So vertices of the quadrilateral are given. Now what is quadrilateral? A four-sided figure. When four segments are joined to each other, you get a quadrilateral. A, suppose A minus 2 minus 4, B minus 3 minus 5, C 3 minus 2, and D suppose 2, 3. So all the coordinates of four vertices of the quadrilateral are given, and we have to find the area of quadrilateral. Now here in order R, coordinates are given, names of the coordinates are names of the points are not given. So let us write out let us start like that. We have drawn this figure now. A minus 4 minus 2, B minus 3 minus 5, then C 3 minus 2, and D 2, 3. So these are the vertices of the what? Quadrilateral. Now we have to find the area of quadrilateral. Now if the vertices, if the coordinates of the vertices are known, we can find the area of triangle. We have seen, isn't it? Now what we can do to find the area of this quadrilateral? Let us draw any one diagonal. What is diagonal? The line segment joining opposite vertices. So I shall join here AC. Now in this figure, now two triangles are there, and we know the coordinates of all three vertices of the triangle, this triangle as well as this triangle. So now to find the area of quadrilateral, what we can do? We can find area of this triangle because we know the coordinates of the vertices. We can find the area of this triangle, triangle ABC, and if we are going to add them, you can see we'll get area of full quadrilateral. So what we have to remember here, we have to calculate the areas of the two triangles now and then add. Suppose if you are not going to join this, if you are going to join BD, then area of ABD and BCD, these two triangles we have to find. So now I shall find area of triangle ABC first. This is C. So area of triangle ABC half into, this is x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y2, y2 minus after y3 y1, and plus x3 into y1 minus y2. This is our formula we have seen. Now this is x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3. If you want, you can write x1 y1, x2 y2, and this is x3 y3. Now let us substitute. So half into x1, what? Minus 4, into y2 minus y3. y2 is minus 5, and this y3 already minus, so that will become plus 2, isn't it? Then x2, what is x2? Minus 3 into y3 minus y2. So y3 is minus 2, and minus y2, this is already minus, so that will become plus. And plus x3 now. What is x3? 3 into y1 minus y2. So minus 2, and this is already minus, so that will become plus 5. So that is half into minus 4 into minus 5 plus 2. It is minus 3. Minus 3 into minus 2 plus 2, 0. Plus 3 into minus 2 plus 5 means it is 3. So that is half into 4 3 are 12. 3 into 0, 0 plus 9. So that is half into 21. So that is 10.5 square units. So area of this triangle ABC is 10.5. Okay. Now we have to calculate area of triangle ACD. Oh. Now see, I shall calculate area of triangle ACD. You can take, or ADC you can take. Whatever it may be. Now I shall take ADC. If I am taking ADC, this will be x over y1 as it is. This will be what? X2 y2, and this is x3 y3. X2 y2, and this is x3 y3. So now again same formula. Area of triangle ADC. Even you can write area of triangle ACD. Okay. If you are writing ACD x1 y1, this will be x2 y2, this will be x3 y3. So half into, so that is half into. Now x1 minus 4. Now we are going in this way. ADC. x1 into y2 minus y3. So that is y2 means 3. And this is how much? Minus 2 means plus 2. Plus x2 means 2 into x2, then it is y3 minus y1. y3 is minus 2. Minus y1 is minus 2, so that will become plus 2. Plus x3 means 3 into, now y1 minus y2. So that is minus 2 and this is minus 3. So that is half into minus 4 into 5 plus 2 into 0 plus 3 into minus 2 minus 3 minus 5. So that is half into minus 20 plus 0 minus 15. That is half into minus 35. That is minus 17.5. Now see, here we have obtained negative answer. Now we have taken ADC. If we had taken ACD, if you go in clockwise direction, no. Now in ADC, we moved anti-clockwise. If you come in this way, you will get this directly positive. Now here, as we are going in this way, we are getting this negative answer. Now we are finding what area. Now area cannot negative. Now here we have to write one statement. Now see, suppose plus 5 and minus 5. So these are opposite number or additive number. Which is the greater number among these? Greater is 5. Suppose you take minus 10 and plus 10. Which is the greater? Plus 10. Which is here plus 10. Here plus 5. So you take any integer and its opposite integer. The positive integer is always greater, which is called numerical value of that value. So what we have to write here statement. So this minus area cannot be negative. So we have to take numerical value of that minus 17.5, which is the positive 17.5. So now here we have to write statement. If the area come negative, since area cannot be negative, let us take numerical value of minus 17.5, which is plus 17.5 sub 5, and therefore area of triangle ADC is equal to 17.5 square units. So we have determined the area of triangle ADC, and now we can find area of quadrilateral ABCD. Therefore, area of quadrilateral ABCD is equal to area of triangle ABC plus area of triangle ABC. That is, earlier we have, this is 10.5 plus this is how much? 17.5. That is 17, 27, 20. 28 square units. So like this, you have to find area of quadrilateral. Means you draw any one diagonal, you will get a triangle. So you individually find the area of triangle using that formula, so that you can get what? The area of quadrilateral. Okay.